Charm and Charl. Dalawa talaga kami, guys. But if you guys follow us, you would know that my twin sister is currently pregnant and manganganak na siya very, very soon. That's why I'm on my own right now. But thank you so much kay At The Corner for having me today. Ayan. And of course, kay Silver for having me here. Anyway, move on tayo. For my next song, I'm gonna be singing "Wait for Me." So, I wrote this one. Actually, we released this 2 years ago, 2021, and I believe in self-love. I believe in loving yourself first before you can love others, because we can't give what we don't have. And I wrote this one for the future love of my life, whoever he is. That I'm doing my best to love myself, to put myself first, to invest in myself, para pag ma-meet ko na siya, mabigay ko yung pagmamahal na deserve niya. Okay. So, if you guys like this one, it's out on Spotify. We also have a YouTube music video for this. It's on our YouTube channel, so you can check it out there. Anyway, again, this is Wait For Me. I hope you guys enjoy it. I've always waited for someone like you that's worth all the pain I've gone through. Someone that will take me for all that I am and teach me to love again. Though I long for what it's like to have you in my life, will you wait for me, dear? Wait for my love. Or will you wait for me, dear? Wait till I'm whole enough. Will you stand right beside me and pray from above to lead me and guide me to never give up? Will you wait for me, dear? Wait for my love. As I try to learn to forgive myself and forget all the pains of the past, and as I try my best to get rid of these fears that's haunting me all through the years, but though I long for what it's like to have you in my life, will you wait for me, dear? Wait for my love. Will you wait for me, dear? to my third song, I just want to promote my social media accounts, our social media accounts. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Lahat po yon at Charm and Charl. So, we're twins, we're a duo, and we do gigs around the metro. We also do live streaming at Kumu. So, if you want to watch us, also at Charm and Charl. All right. So, for our third song, I actually wrote this one in our recent camp. It's called the PhilSCAP Songwriting Camp, Year 5. And itong song na to, very special because the one playing for me right now, Anzo, siya talaga tumulong sa akin to, for the chords, to find the chords of this song. And it's not all the time that we we experience the once in a lifetime type of love. So if you guys know you have a good one, a good partner, and don't be careful and don't take it for granted, because some women or men, we don't get twice. So this is entitled Some Women, at dahil kakasulat ko lang nito, hindi ko pa siya memorize. So I hope it's okay with you guys. Well, wala naman kayo magagawa. This is entitled Some Women, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's been a blur, that situation. It's been so unpredictable. You give your truths in fractions, that leaves me in denial. One day it's land full of assurance, and the next not at all. So what's going on? 'Cause I don't wanna sit around and guess all the time. Tomorrow comes, will you still be mine? So take your perfect lies and take your sweet goodbyes and go on and hide, go on and hide. Behind your bitter smile, take your temporary highs and take your slow replies. But don't be surprised if you don't see me waiting by the sidelines. 'Cause I'm one man, you just can't get twice. You said let's take our time between the two of us, try to figure out if it's just too much. Seems familiar, I think I've heard this before. So what's going on? 'Cause I don't wanna sit around and guess all the time. Tomorrow comes, will you still be mine? So take your perfect lies and take your sweet goodbyes and go on and hide, go on and hide. Behind your bitter smile, take your temporary highs and take your slow replies. But don't be surprised if you don't see me waiting by the sidelines. 'Cause I'm with them, you just can't get twice. Take a risk or lose a chance for a once in a lifetime romance. So take your perfect lies and take your sweet goodbyes and go on and hide, go on and hide. Take your temporary highs and take your slow replies. But don't be surprised if you don't see me waiting by the sidelines. 'Cause I'm one man, you just can't get twice. All right, so we are down to our last song, my last song. And this song is our current single that's out on Spotify. This is entitled Minamahal. And I wrote this one para sa mga may takot pang umibig muli. We all have some things we've done in the past that we are not proud of. And this song speaks of na we all have our own weaknesses. We all have our past mistakes, but it does not define us. And where we are, who we are, just always remember that we are loved, we are enough, we are enough, we are worthy, and we are loved. Sapat, karapat, dapat, at minamahal. So, I hope you guys enjoy this one.
Ngayon lang ulit natama, naninip ako sa saya. Akala'y kontento na ako mag-isa, nang biglang dumating ka. Tila ako'y naguluhan, ikaw na ba ang dahilan kung ba't ako pinaghintay ng tadhana? Ngunit bakit kita ko sa iyong mga mata, ang takot na umibig muli. Kahit gustuhin ko, walang magagawa kung di sigurado sa akin. Pero mahal, sana'y malaman mo, kahit di man tayo, alaala mo'y hindi malilimo. Panalangin ko na iyong matanto ang kabutihang taglay ng iyong puso, na para sa'kin sapat, karapat-dapat, at minamahal. Di mo kailangan pahirapan ang sarili,